Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen and maybe also your webcam using vid.io. So just like ClipChat, VEED already has a tool which you can use to record your screen and webcam both at the same time. This makes it a lot more convenient because it automatically gets uploaded into your asset library and you don't have to mess with any other third-party software. So to get started, I'm here in my home screen in my vid workspace, and you can see there's a record section here at the top right of your screen. So if you're already in a video, you can also access this by clicking on the record button at the top, or you can just go back to your home page if you're starting from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and click on record here, and you can choose a few options. You can choose to record your camera, your screen, both your screen and your camera, or just your audio. So for this example, I'm just going to be recording my screen, and we have a few options here. You can choose which one you'd like to share, whether you want to share a specific window or your entire screen. I'm going to be selecting entire screen for now, and you should double check that your microphone permission is on. That way it picks up whatever you are saying. And then if you'd like, you can also share your system audio. So say for example, you're playing a game and you want your game to be heard. You want to make sure that your system audio is checked right here. So now that that's done, I'm going to click on share, and we can start recording by clicking on the record button here at the top right of the screen. So let's go ahead and click that. There's going to be a short countdown. And as you can see, as of this moment, it has started recording. You can also hide this pop-up bar at the bottom by clicking on hide. And now we can go to our desktop, do whatever it is we wanted to do, and show whatever it is that we wanted to show. And once we're done, all we have to do is go back to our Google Chrome window and press the stop button at the top right. You can also pause it if you want to take a short break and do something else or fix something in the background. That's also definitely an option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop, and this should start uploading to the VEED workspace automatically. And let's click on done. So just going to click on continue with watermark, and now the video is being rendered. So you can download this for use in somewhere else, like you can upload it, or you can also click on edit here at the top right to start editing this down and trimming it down to only the important sections. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.